Hi, I'm Shades, and just like this title sequence that you're watching over here, nothing has order because it's random. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is day 8. It was supposed to be day 6 yesterday, but I didn't post the video. I'm so sorry. Let me explain what happened. I am busy also making client stuff, so I'm under pressure. And like, one thing I did that was a mistake, I decided to go out with my sister and friends. This is something that we planned a long time ago, so I couldn't cancel. But that means I had to sacrifice one episode of this challenge of mine, but we're gonna continue. I'm still gonna make 10 garments. So yeah guys, I've been busy, I've been stressed, I've been shaking, I haven't been eating. It's like it's so stressful for me. It's so much to handle. So today we're gonna be making a top inspired by a lot of other YouTubers and YouTube videos that I've been seeing. I actually like the top, and it is this top right here. I remember I told you guys about this fabric that is cream, that I like it, but like I didn't know what to do with it. Now I know what to do with it, so we're gonna do that. And you guys know that I'm not showing you guys how to do this. I'm just making it because this is a challenge that I gave to myself. So I'm gonna show you guys the pattern pieces. This one is really simple. I'm just gonna be cutting out a trapezium, and then I'm just gonna add in some straps and then put in some elastic so that it gives me that gathered effect. I just need to make sure how long I want it to be, because these tops are quite cropped, like they're quite, like my six-pack is not there yet. It's coming, but it's not there yet. So I'm not yet comfortable with something this small up to here. So we're gonna fix it. Alrighty then guys, so this is now the top. I mean the thingy. What? This is the trapezium I was talking about, and I've cut out 2 pieces because, as you can see, you can actually see through this. Well, you guys can see the light through this, but like on its own it's quite see-through, this fabric. So let me just show you the scrap that's left. You see that? You guys can literally see through me, and see through the fabric, and that's just inappropriate. Okay, and then I've also cut out the straps that I'm going to join together to put this all together. So the next thing that I'm going to do right now is I'm going to sew 2 lines over here, and this is where I'm going to be inserting my elastic. So I'm going to sew 2 of them like this, and then another 2 at the bottom there. So I think the bottom I want it to be like maybe 3 centimeters. Alrighty then guys, so now I've stitched, as you guys can see, there are the stitches. There's 4 stitches. I drew with a pencil, so I'm hoping this is gonna wash away, because it actually doesn't look bad on the other side, but this is the nicer side. So now what I'm going to do is measure myself, because I think I wanted to sit up here, like maybe from here to here, the elastic. So it's gonna be here, and it's going to be an open back, and it's gonna stretch. So the measurement is 30. Okay, so I'm gonna minus about 3 centimeters, which is gonna make it 27. So 25 is good. So now I've got my 2 elastics, and I'm gonna put them through the thing. You guys are gonna see it now. So what I'm going to do now that I've inserted here, I'm going to do the same thing at the bottom, but I'm going to stitch the elastic over here and over here so that it doesn't move, and I will be giving this a double turn hem on all corners, and I'm going to be attaching the straps before I So guys, here is my strap. It was 4 centimeters wide and now it is 2 centimeters wide because I have folded it in half and gave it a 1 centimeter stitch. So that means my strap is going to be 1 centimeter wide. And now I'm just giving it a trim so that I can turn it inside out. Okay, so I've trimmed it. Now the next thing to do is just to put in this needle and then we're gonna push it in. This process takes it's not that long actually. I could use a tube turner, but a tube turner is not long enough. I hate the beginning. I always struggle a bit at the beginning. Okay, we're done guys. So this is how it looks. This is the strap. And I'm not gonna iron it. Maybe because I think I might be lazy, or maybe I've just been burnt so many times. So I'm going to cut it in half. Unless you could have just left it. So I'm going to cut it in half. After cutting it in half, I'm going to attach it to I need to get something. Okay, so attaching to my top, guys. So this is how my top looks like right now, right? And I'm going to be giving it a double turn over here. And what I'm realizing is that I want this top part to be a little bit shorter because they're actually the same size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach the straps over here and here. Okay, right here, and then I'm going to make this a little bit shorter. And then the next part, I'm going to add loops over here so that I can take my straps crisscross or directly to that point and then tie it. I don't know what I'm saying, but I feel like I'm making sense. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to attach these to there. I'm going to cut that off and then attach the loops, and then I will show you guys, and then I'll start doing the hem. Okay guys, so this is how it looks so far. Now I've attached the straps and then I've got my loops over here. Here they are. So this is how it looks when you've like double turned hem it. Can you guys see? Okay, it's not very clear, but anyway, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And just like that, we are done. So here is the final top.